how to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn on multi-guest request on TikTok Live. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And now here to tell you upfront, your account should be eligible for live streaming first. So here for that, usually you need to be at least 18 years old and should have 1000 followers to go live. And here once you meet that criteria, then you can simply tap on the plus icon which can be seen in the bottom center of the screen. And now here, once you see the interface like this, then you can simply scroll through the option in the bottom, and there you can choose live, and before you go live you can add a title and select your camera and filter, and there on the right side on your screen you should simply tap the multi-guest or guest icon before going live, and there you simply have to choose multi-guest mode, and this will allow multiple people to join you live at once. And there you can also select the layout like grid, panel, or random depending on your preferences. And once you're live, you can just tap on the guest icon again and make sure to allow viewers to request option is turned on. And this will let people to send requests to join a live session. And you will also see their request in the guest panel. So there you just have to accept to add them to your live. And here, while live, you can mute, remove, or rearrange your guest easily. And that's it. That's how you can turn on multi guest request on TikTok Live. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.